Okay, very good. So, okay, let me make it much bigger first. It's good, easier for me, it's easier for you. So a box of pies costs $15, while a box of muffin costs that. The each box contain either 4 or 3. Bought the same number. Okay, good. So start with the box first. Why? Because of the each. Can you see the each?
Yes.
Okay. Or actually, also means each. Do you know per, each, every, one? You know, all these they mean the same thing. Right. Okay. I have one calculator. I have a calculator. I have. Understand me? So all these mean the same thing. So when you have words like this, then you need to think of the each. So number, total, table, method. Okay. So okay. So over here, what do you have? This is cost per box of pie, right? It's $15, right? So this is cost per box. This is for the pie. This one is for the muffins. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So the cost per box of pie is $15. Then this one is $17. Okay?
Yes.
So if this is cost per box, this is number of cost or number of box?
Number of
Box. Yeah. Then this will be the total cost.
total cost.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, good. But here, the interesting thing is this statement. This statement says each box contain either 4 pies or 3 muffins. Okay? So now, if you put number of box here, the statement here says same number of pies and muffin. Okay? So over here same number of pies and muffin, right?
Yeah.
So means if 4 pie per box, okay? You times 3 box, you get 12 pies, right?
Yeah.
And if 3 muffin per box, you times 4 box, that will be 12 muffin as well, right? Right?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
So what it means is, then they will have the same number. When you have 3 box of pie, 4 box of muffin. Okay? So now you need to see how do you get the number of box in this case? How do you get this? You use, how do you get the 3 box? How do you get the 4 box here? No, you just look at it. You look at this. How do you get the 3 box?
Because the total is
12 pies. And one box is 4. How do you get 3? 12 divided by 4, right? 12 divided by 4, right?
Yeah.
Then what about the below one? This one? You have 12 muffin, you have 3 muffin, so it's 12 divided by 3 in this case, right? Right?
Yes.
So now you don't know how many box, okay, for pie and muffin, but you know they have the same number of pie and muffin, right? So now that means this 4 pie you don't know, so it's question mark, and then you will end up with U pies, right?
Yeah.
And then this is 3 muffins. You don't know how many box of muffin, but you know it's U muffins, right? Why U pies and U muffin?
Because you don't know how many.
No. How come I take it as U pies and U muffin? Why not U pie and two U muffins? Why must be U pies and U
Because
muffins?
they are the same.
Correct, because of this statement. They have the same number, right?
Yeah.
So now, how do you get question mark? Here. The question mark is given by?
So
You have U pie, and then you have 4 pie per box. How do you get the question mark box?
you all divided by the number of pies.
U divided by 4, right?
Yes.
Then what about below?
Or are you divided by
Correct. So now you know that, okay, actually I have U over 4 box of pie. So over here. Then over here is U over 3, right?
Yes.
How do you find the total cost? Times, right?
Yes.
Times, right? Okay?
Okay.
Now the question is almost done. She paid 207 more for the muffin. So muffin is more, right? So therefore 17 over 3 U is equal to 15 over 4 U plus. Because only when you use the pie plus the 207, then you will get the more. So how do you solve this question? Underline similar term, right?
Yes.
207, I'm not going to move it, so I write it down, right?
Yes.
This one I move it over, so when I move it over, I need to change the sign, right? Can you help me out with what's the left hand side now?
Is that 3?
No, this is 17 over 3.
Oh, okay. Twenty-three
23
over 12.
over
12.
12. U equals to 207. So how do you get U? Divide by
Divided by
23 over 12. So similarly, this side also divide by 23 over 12. You should do 201. I mean 207, not 217. 为什么 you key in 217? This is 207.
108.
Huh?
108.
108. U is equal to 108. So U is equal to 108. So the number of boxes will be 108 divided by 4. This one will be 108 divided by 3, right? But let's see what the question is asking. They say how many boxes of pie did she buy? Pie. Where's the one?
On the top. So,
That means this one. So 108 divided by 4 is?
27.
Good. So 27 boxes of pies. Easy to understand?
Yes.
Yep, good. Next.